The brain teaser of algebraic identities. The identities means a statement of equality which holds for all values of the variables is called an identity. It means एक statement जो हर वैल्यू के लिए ट्रू हो, जैसे a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. Brain teasers. First question, tick the correct option. The factors of 1 minus 6z plus 9z square are. अब इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे बाय यूजिंग आइडेंटिटीज a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. देखिए इसका आंसर कैसे निकालेंगे. फैक्टराइज करना है इसको बाय यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी. 1 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 9z स्क्वायर मीन्स 3z होल स्क्वायर. तो a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर क्या चाहिए, माइनस 2ab. तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 इंटू 1 इंटू 3z. ओके, ये किसका होल स्क्वायर बन गया, 1 माइनस 3z होल स्क्वायर. तो दो फैक्टर क्या हो गए, 1 माइनस 3z और दूसरा भी 1 माइनस 3z. ओके, देखिए इसी को फिर हम लोग और कर सकते हैं. ये ऑप्शन में आपके नहीं है, 1 माइनस 3z का होल स्क्वायर ऑप्शन नहीं है. तो इसको दूसरा तरीका क्या है, इसको अब हम लोग आगे कर देते हैं. 9z स्क्वायर सेम चीज़ है, माइनस 6z प्लस 1. प्लस टर्म्स को आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं सेम. फिर फैक्टराइज करिए, 3z होल स्क्वायर 2 इंटू 3z इंटू 1 प्लस 1 स्क्वायर. a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर मीन्स a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर. Okay, the right option is 3z minus 1 whole square. B. Which of the following is an algebraic identities? इनमें से कौन सी algebraic identity सही है. a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है, a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ये राइट ऑप्शन है. ये तीनों ऑप्शन क्या है, रॉन्ग. C. Factorize the form of y स्क्वायर प्लस 3y प्लस वाई प्लस 3. देखिए इसको फैक्टराइज करते हैं. y स्क्वायर प्लस 3y प्लस वाई प्लस 3, इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन है, फर्स्ट y कॉमन है तो y प्लस 3, यहाँ से y निकाल दिए y प्लस 3. इन दोनों में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है तो क्या कॉमन लेंगे, 1 y प्लस 3. तो y प्लस 3 एंड y प्लस 1, ये हो गया इसका फैक्टराइजेशन. y प्लस 3 फिर कॉमन लिए तो y प्लस 1. द आंसर इज y प्लस 1 y प्लस 3. द राइट ऑप्शन इज y प्लस 1 y प्लस 3. नेक्स्ट, फैक्टराइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ p स्क्वायर माइनस 17p माइनस 38. इसको भी हम लोग फैक्टराइज करेंगे बाई स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म. बाई स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म दो नंबर हमको खोजने हैं जिनका कि प्रोडक्ट क्या होना चाहिए, 38, और दोनों में एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 19 प्लस 2 इक्वल टू माइनस 17 एंड माइनस 19 इंटू 2 माइनस 38. यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, पी स्क्वायर माइनस 19p प्लस 2p माइनस 38. टेकिंग p कॉमन, p माइनस 19, इसमें से क्या कॉमन आएगा, प्लस 2 p माइनस 19. 2 से इसको काटेंगे कितनी बार कटेगा, 19. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, p माइनस 19. फिर कॉमन लीजिए, बचेगा क्या, p प्लस 2. ये है फैक्टराइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस, p माइनस 19 p प्लस 2. इस सेट ऑफ स्क्वायर विद एरिया 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x प्लस 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स इज. साइड निकालनी है, साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर निकालनी है, एरिया दिया हुआ है तो इसको फिर फैक्टराइज करेंगे और देखेंगे किसका स्क्वायर है. ओके, 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x प्लस 9, इसको किस आइडेंटिटी से यूज़ करेंगे, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, दोनों प्लस है. ये किसका स्क्वायर है, 2x का. और इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 इंटू 2x इंटू 3 प्लस 3 स्क्वायर. a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, इट मीन्स 2x प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर. और जब साइड निकालेंगे तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द एरिया। अब इसका स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 2x प्लस 3। द साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 2x प्लस 3। नेक्स्ट 2x। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट यूजिंग सुटेबल आइडेंटिटी। a प्लस 3 a माइनस 3 a स्क्वायर प्लस 9। a प्लस 3 a माइनस 3 a स्क्वायर प्लस 9। तो a प्लस बी a माइनस बी क्या होता है a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या हो गया a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, और ये है आपका a स्क्वायर प्लस 9। तो इसको लिखेंगे a स्क्वायर माइनस 9 a स्क्वायर प्लस 9। फिर वही a माइनस बी a प्लस बी, फिर आइडेंटिटी लगेगी a स्क्वायर मीन्स फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। द आंसर इज a raised to power 4 minus 81। The product of these three numbers is a raised to power 4 minus 81. B. If x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6, find the value of x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4. x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6। हमको निकालना क्या है x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4। तो स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, इसका भी स्क्वायर करेंगे और स्क्वायर लिखेंगे, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स। a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है a स्क्वायर यानी फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर सेकेंड का स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर। 6 का स्क्वायर इज 36। नाउ कैंसिल एक्स स्क्वायर x raised to power 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन x raised to power 4 इक्वल टू 36। ये प्लस 2 है तो इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा -2। द आंसर इज 34। C. Find the value of k if xy square k equal to 4xy plus 3y whole square minus 4xy minus 3y whole square। अब इसको सॉल्व करने के दो तरीके हैं। एक तो a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, यानी इस पूरे को a मान लेते हैं और इसको b। तो a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a माइनस बी और a प्लस बी। एक बार दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, फोर एक्स वाई माइनस 3y, और एक बार क्या करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्ट 4xy प्लस 3y माइनस 4xy प्लस 3y। ओके, 3y कैंसिल, वी गेट 8xy। और दूसरे में क्या आएगा 4xy कैंसिल। देखिए सब्ट्रैक्ट किए हैं, ये माइनस 4xy प्लस 3y होगा, ऐड होके क्या आ गया 6y। अब इधर क्या है एक्स वाई स्क्वायर के इक्वल टू 8 6 जा 48 एक्स वाई स्क्वायर। नाउ एक्स वाई स्क्वायर कैंसिल, के इक्वल टू 48। ओके। डी. If a square plus b square equal to 9 and ab equal to 4, find the value of 3a plus b whole square minus 2a minus b whole square। 3a plus b whole square minus 2a minus b whole square। a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2 into a square plus b square minus 2ab। Put the values of a square plus b square is 9 and 2 into ab 2 into 4 minus 2 9 minus 2 into 4 3 9 plus 8 17 2 into 9 minus 8 17 3 जा 3 into and 2 17 3 जा 51 minus 2, answer is 49। okay, if a plus b plus c equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 64, find the value of ab plus bc plus ac। write the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. It means a square plus b square plus c square and plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. Now put the values of a plus b plus c equal to 12. It means 12 square. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 64 and 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now 144 minus 64 equal to 2 times bc plus ca. Just put in the formula and solve. 80. It means ab plus bc plus ca equal to 80 divided by 2. This is equal to 40. Okay, solve. Find the following products using suitable identity. 7x minus 9 by 7x minus 9 by. It means a minus b का whole square. A minus b, a minus b. It means 7x minus 9 by whole square. 2 times multiply means whole square. Using the identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means a means 7x minus 2ab, 2 into 7x into 9y plus y b square. It means 9 by whole square. The answer is 49x square minus 7 9 ja 63, 63 2 ja 126 ab plus 81 y square. Next 6ax plus 5by, 6ax minus 5by. Using the identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. It means 6ax whole square minus 5by whole square. 6ax whole square it means 36 a square x square minus 25 b square y square. Third is 3 by 4 p square plus 2 by 3 q square and 3 by 4 p square plus 2 by 3 q square. It means 3 by 4 p square plus 2 by 3 q square whole square. Whole square means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means 3 by 4 p square whole square 2 into 3 by 4 p square into 2 by 3 q square plus 2 by 3 q square whole square. Opening the square 9 by 16 p raised to power 4. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 2 cancel, 3 cancel. Only remains p square q square and 4 by 9 q raised to power 4. This is the answer. Next one is a plus b plus c whole square. X plus 3 by 4y minus 4z whole square. Using the formula a plus b plus c whole square. It means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 3 by 4 y plus 2bc, 2 into 3 by 4 y into minus 4z plus 2ca, 2 into minus 4z into x. Now write the answer. X square plus 9 by 16 y square plus 16 z square plus 2 to the 4. It means 3 by 2 xy minus, here is a 1 minus, 4 to 4 cancel, minus 3 to the 6 yz minus 2 4 ja 8 zx. This is the answer. Now 4 is x plus 2y, x minus 2y, and x square plus 4y square. Now using the identity a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This is the product of these two, and x square plus 4y square. This will be x square minus 4y square and x square plus 4y square. Now again a minus b, a plus b. It means a means x square ka square minus a square minus b square. Then answer is x raised to power 4 minus 16. And the next question is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x plus x square 1 by x square plus x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Next, repeat all the terms. Again, a minus b, a plus b. It means a square minus b square. ये क्या हो गया? x रेज टू पावर 4 माइनस 1 अपॉन x रेज टू पावर 4 एंड x रेज टू पावर 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन x रेज टू पावर 4. नाउ a माइनस b, a प्लस b इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस x रेज टू पावर 8 माइनस 1 अपॉन x रेज टू पावर 8. Express the following as squares of a binomial and evaluate for the given values. Express the following as the square of binomial. It means if this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, it means binomial form is a plus b whole square. Then put the values of x and y. Okay. Now 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Convert into the formula of a plus b whole square. This is the 2x whole square and 2 times 2x and 9y square is the square of 3y. It means 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Put in the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means a plus b whole square. Now put the values of, this is in the form of binomial, 2 terms binomial. Now put the values of x. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into y equal to 2. Again whole square. Now put the values. Minus 4 plus 6 whole square. 6 minus 4, 2 square and answer is 4. Okay. First convert into the binomial, then put the values of x and y. And the next question is 4 by 25 m square minus mn plus 25 by 16 n square. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the square. 2 by 5 m whole square minus 2 into 2 by 5 m into, this is the square of 5 by 4 n plus 5 by 4 n whole square. Okay. A square minus 2ab plus b square. It means a minus b. It means 2 by 5 m minus 5 by 4 n whole square. This is in the form of binomial. Now put the values of m and n. M equal to 5 and n equal to 8. N equal to 8. Now put the values 2 by 5 into 5 minus 5 by 4 into 8. whole square. Cancel 5 by 5. 2 minus 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 2 minus 10 is minus 8 square. Answer is 64. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Simplify the following. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simplify the following. These are important questions. See. Now a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Open the formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 2ab cancel. A square plus a square. Arrange the terms. And b square plus b square. The answer is 2 times a square plus b square. Okay. And the next is 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square. इसको हम लोग दो तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, उससे भी खोल सकते हैं आइडेंटिटी 1 एंड 2 से. अगेन a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी. दो सिंपल वे है. इसको हम लोग a मान लेते हैं, a स्क्वायर, और इसको b. तो a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस b. a प्लस b मीन्स 3x plus 7y plus 3x minus 7y. Again 3x plus 7y minus 3x minus 7y. Okay. 7y cancel. Here you will get 6x into and 3x plus 7y and minus 3x प्लस 7y. जब हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे इसको तो ये क्या हो जाएगा प्लस, एंड 3x एंड 3x कैंसिल. 6x इंटू 14y. 14 6 जा 84 x y. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 6a प्लस 5b प्लस 4c होल स्क्वायर माइनस 6a माइनस 5b माइनस 4c होल स्क्वायर. इसी फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करते हैं. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. दिस इज ए इक्वल टू 6a प्लस 5b प्लस 4c एंड b इक्वल टू 6a माइनस 5b माइनस 4c. अगेन राइट द फॉर्मूला हियर. आइडेंटिटी a प्लस b एंड a माइनस b. पुट इन द फॉर्मूला a एंड b. फर्स्ट स्टेप 6a प्लस 5b प्लस 4c, ये a हो गया, प्लस 6a माइनस 5b माइनस 4c. ओके. इन अदर कॉलम a माइनस b, इट मीन्स 6a प्लस 5b प्लस 4c माइनस, सब चेंज द साइन ऑफ ईच टर्म. माइनस 6a प्लस 5b प्लस 4c minus 6a plus 5b plus 4c. Change the sign due to the subtraction. 6a cancel and 5b and 4c cancel. You will get 6a plus 6a is 12a and in the bracket 5b 10b plus 8c. Now multiply. 12 10 ja 120 ab, 12 8 ja 96 AC. This is the simple method. And the next is a square minus b square and a square plus b square minus a square minus b square whole square. This is the fourth one. Okay. Now put the identity a minus b and a plus b. Here is a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square minus a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now solve. Simplify this. A raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4 plus 2a square b square minus b raised to power 4. A raised to power 4, a raised to power 4 cancel. You will get 2a square b square minus 2b raised to power 4. Okay. Next question. Evaluate the following by using a suitable identity. 399 square, 62 square, 103 into 97, 10.1 square, this and so on. Now 1. Evaluate 399 square by using identity. 399 we can write 400 minus 1 whole square. Okay. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now solve. 4, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 800 plus 1. Okay. Now subtract 160,001 minus 800. You will get 700. 1 minus 0, 1. 1, 0, 10 minus 8. 1. 10 minus 8, 2. And 9, 15. Okay. 159201. Now 62 square. You can write 60 plus 2 whole square. A square plus 2ab, 2 into 60 into 2 plus b square. 60 square is 3600. 2 2 ja 4, 6 ja 24. 240 plus 4. This is 3844. Now add, you will get 3844. Next one is 103 into 97. You can write 100 plus 3 and 100 minus 3. 100 plus 3, 103, 97. A plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. 10,000 minus 9. 9,991. Okay. 10.1 square. 10.1 square you can write 10 plus 0.1 whole square. Okay. Now a square 10 square plus 2ab, 2 into 10 into 0.1 plus 0.1 square. You will get 100 plus 20 into 0.1 is 2 and 0.1 square is 0.01. The answer is 102.01. Okay. Next, a square minus b square. You can write a plus b and a minus b. Adding these two, 160 into 10. You will get 1600. And third one is 291 into 309. 300 minus 9 and 300 plus 9. A plus b and a minus b. Third identity. A square minus b square. Here you will get 91034. 90,000 minus 81. You will get 89,919. Okay. Now question number 6. Evaluate x if 36x equal to 78 square minus 42 square and 6.2x equal to 8.1 into 8.1 minus 1.9 into 1.9. 36x equal to 78 square minus 42 square. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b. Adding these two numbers and subtract. And you will get 120 into 36. Now 36x equal to this. X equal to 120 into 36 by 36. X equal to 120. Next, 6.2x equal to 8.1 into 8.1 minus 1.9 into. You can write 8.1 square minus 1.9 square. Again a square minus b square. A plus b and a minus b. It means this is 10 and minus 2, 7.2. 6.2, sorry. And x equal to 10 into 6.2 by 6.2. X equal to 10. Okay. Next, question number 7. Factorize the following expressions. Factorize by using identities. The first is factorization, z square minus 4z minus 77. This can be factorized by using the middle term, splitting the middle term. So we can find the two numbers such that the product of these two numbers is 77 and sum or the subtraction is the minus 4. Okay, plus or minus 7. So we can get the two numbers such that 11 into 7. Z square minus 11z plus 7z minus 77. 11 7 is 77 and minus 11 plus 7 is minus 4. Now taking z common from the first two terms, we get z minus 11 and common 7 z minus 11. So z minus 11 z plus 7. Factorize. Just we have to find the such that these two numbers, the product of these two numbers is 77 and addition and subtraction is minus 4. And the same second question, x square plus 25x plus 144. These two numbers दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या आना चाहिए 144 और जोड़ने के बाद या घटाने के बाद क्या आना चाहिए 25. तो you get 16 9 जब 144. 16x plus 9x. Okay, 16 9 and 16 plus 9 25. Now take the x common, x plus 16. Just first two terms and take 9 common from these two terms, x plus 16. Now x plus 16 common and in bracket x plus 9. This is the factorization by using splitting the middle term. Next is x square plus 5x minus 104. The two numbers are 13x minus 8x. 13 8 ja 104 and 13 minus 8 is 5. 13 8 ja 104. Now taking common x, x plus 13 and minus 8. When we take minus common, the sign is changed. Minus minus, here plus. The answer is x plus 13 and x minus 8. This is the factorization by splitting the middle term. Next, fourth one is 49x square minus 64. We will use the identity a square minus b square. This is the 7x whole square, this is 8. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. This is the factorization of 49x square minus 64. Next factorization is x square minus 1 minus 2y minus y square. Now, first we have to take minus common in these three terms. 1 plus 2y plus y square. Again, this is the x square minus. This is the square of y plus 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It means this is the square of y plus 1. Now, a square minus b square. It means a plus b and a minus. Minus means minus y minus 1. Simplest factorization. Next, again is 4x minus y whole square minus 12x minus y plus 9. Let x minus y equal to z. The equation reduces in the form of 4z square minus 12z plus 9. Now you can solve by using the formula of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means 2z whole square minus 2 into 2z into 3, because 9 is 3 square. Here a is equal to 2z and b equal to 3. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Okay. Now put the value of z. This is the 2x minus y minus 3 whole square. So you can write 2x minus 2y minus 3 square. It means 2x minus 2y minus 3. The next factorization is x square plus y minus xy minus x. Now rearrange the question. Just we have to exchange the values of x and y. The place minus x minus y plus y. Just we have changed the place of these two numbers. Minus x here and plus y here. Now taking x common in first two terms, you will get x minus 1. And in these two, minus y, x minus 1. The answer is x minus 1 common and x minus y. Next factorization. Next question is 81 x plus 1 whole square plus 90 x plus 1 y plus 2 and 25 y plus 2 square. Let x plus 1 equal to a and y plus 2 equal to b. The equation reduces in the form of 81a square plus 90ab plus 25b square. Okay, this is the 9a whole square. Again 2 into 9a into 5b plus 5b whole square. This is the a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means 9a plus 5b whole square. Okay. Now put the values of a and b. 9 x plus 1 plus 5 y plus 2. The whole square. Solve. You will get 9x plus 5y. 9 1 is 9 plus 5 2 is 10. Here is 19 whole square. If the square, you can write this term in 2 times. 9x plus 5y plus 19 and 9x plus 5y plus 19. Okay. Last factorization. X square plus y square plus z square by 4 plus 2xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. So this is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. Now a is x square, b is y square and c is z by 2 square. Now see the minus. Minus yz minus zx. It means that z is common. It means the term z is common. Come the minus. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 2ab. 2 into x into y. Again 2 into y into minus z by 2. And 2ca. 2 into minus z by 2 into x. You can write x plus y minus z by 2 whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. You can write it 2 times. X plus y minus z by 2 and x plus y minus z by 2. This is the factorization of this. Now question number 8. If x plus 1 by x equal to 8, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X plus 1 by x equal to 8. Squaring both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to 8 square. Squaring both sides. And open the bracket by using the formula a plus b whole square. It means a square plus b square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 by x equal to 64. Now cancel x by x. Then x square plus 1 by x square equal to 64 minus 2, that is 62. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 62. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is a minus 1 by a equal to 5. Find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. Same question, a minus 1 by a equal to 5. Then find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. Okay. Now squaring both sides. It means a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 5 square. Now using the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 25. Now cancel a and a. A square plus 1 by a square equal to 25 plus 2. Here is minus and plus 2. The answer is 27. A square and 1 by a square equal to 1 upon a square. Next question number 10. Question number 10 is if a square plus 1 by a square equal to 23, find the value of a plus 1 by a. A square plus 1 by a square equal to 23. Then find the value of a plus 1 by a. Now first we have to find the value of whole square. A plus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. Now a square plus 1 by a square equal to 23 plus only 2. This is 25. Now a plus 1 by a whole square. Again square root both sides. A plus 1 by a equal to root 25. जब इधर से स्क्वायर हटाते हैं तो इधर अंडर रूट लगता है. Therefore a plus 1 by a equal to 5. Question number 11. If x square plus 1 by x square equal to 51, find the value of x minus 1 by x. Now x square plus 1 by x square equal to 51 and find the value of x minus 1 by x. Just like question number 10, square. By taking square of this number x minus 1 by x, square of this number is a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. Simply put the value of x square plus 1 by x square equal to 51 minus 2, that is 49. Therefore x minus 1 by x equal to root 49. Taking square root both sides, then x minus 1 by x equal to 7. Question number 12. Simplify. 2.3 into 2.3 minus 0.3 into 0.3 upon 2.3 into 2.3 minus 2 into 2.3 into 0.3 plus so on. This is the question. Now 2.3 whole square minus 0.3 square and 2.3 square minus 2 into 2.3 into 0.3 plus 0.3 square. Convert in this form. Now taking a equal to 2.3 and b equal to 0.3. The question becomes a square minus b square upon a minus b whole square. This is the question. A square minus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. Taking a plus b to 2.3 plus 0.3 and 2.3 minus 0.3. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. And a minus b whole square means 2.3 minus 0.3 square means 2 times. Okay. Now cancelling these two numbers. Simplify 2.6 into 2 and 2 into 2. Cancel this two number. Okay. The 2 into 2.6. 2.6 divided by 2 is 1.3. (13) If 3x minus 4y equal to 10 and xy equal to minus 1, find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. 3x minus 4y equal to 10 and xy equal to minus 1. So find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. Now 3x minus 4y equal to 10 and squaring both sides. 3x minus 4y whole square equal to 10 square. Open the bracket by using identity. A minus b whole square. Here is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 3x into 4y equal to 100. 10 square is 100. 3x whole square equal to 9x square plus 16y square minus 2 3 ja 6 4 ja 24 xy equal to 100. Now put the value of xy. Xy equal to minus 1 minus 24 into minus 1. Therefore 9x square plus 16y square 100 minus 1 is plus here 76. Question number 14. If 5x minus 2y equal to 7 and xy equal to 2, then find the value of 5x plus 2y whole square. This is a question. 5x minus 2y equal to 7, xy equal to 2. Then find the value of 5x plus 2y whole square. First, 5x minus 2y equal to 7 and squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 5x into 2y equal to 49. 25x square plus 4y square minus 20xy equal to 49. 25x square plus 4y square. Now put the value of xy is 20 into 2, 49. 25x square plus 4y square equal to 49 plus 22 is a 40, 89. Okay. Now find the value of 5x plus 2y whole square. 5x plus 2y whole square equal to a square plus b square. 2 into 5x into 2y. 2ab means 5x into 2y. 25x square plus 4y square plus 20xy. Now put the value of 25x square and 4y square. This is the value is 89 plus 20 into 2. 20 into 2, 40, 89, 129. And the last question is, if a plus 1 by a equal to 17 by 4, find the value of a minus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a equal to 17 by 4. Squaring both sides. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a equal to 289 by 16. A cancel. A square plus 1 by a square equal to 289 by 16 minus 2. Now taking 16 LCM, 289 minus 32. 16 to 32, subtracting 257 by 16. A minus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. Now put the value of a square plus 1 by a square equal to 257 by 16 minus 2. 257 minus 32 by 16. It means 225 by 16. Now taking square root both sides, so a minus 1 by a equal to square root of 225 by 16 is 15 by 4. Now answer is 15 by